Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we will show you how to change the tire. If your scooter has a flat tire, you need to remove the tire to check the cause of the flat and replace your inner tube. If there is no scooter repair shop near you, you can follow the steps below to change the tire. First, remove the screws on both sides of the rear fender, and then remove the fender. Next, remove the nuts on both sides of the swing arm. Use a wrench to loosen the nut and remove it, then remove the shim. Perform the same operation on the other side to remove the nut and shim. Next, you can remove the entire motor from the swing arm. We need to deflate the inner tube before separating the tire and the motor. Loosen the 6 screws on the motor. Be sure not to remove the screws directly with an electric screwdriver, as it may cause the screws to strip. After that, you can use an electric screwdriver to remove the 6 screws. Next, we can separate the rim and motor as well as the tire and inner tube. Taking a new inner tube and insert it into the tire, ensuring the valve stem is pointing straight up. Then we can install the rim according to the hole positions, making sure not to pinch the inner tube with the rim. After installing the motor, you can install the screws. We recommend installing the screw at the diagonal position after installing the first screw, as this will make the installation process more stable. Install the extension tube on the valve stem. If you are using the Nanrobot official pump, you need to check the tire pressure with your hand during the inflation process. Stop inflating when the appropriate tire pressure is reached. Remove the extension tube and screw on the valve stem cap. Next, reinstall the tire back onto the scooter, sequentially installing the shims and nuts on both sides of the swing arm. Use a wrench to tighten them, ensuring all parts are very secure. Check if the tire is installed in the correct position. Rotate the tire and listen for any weird rubbing sound caused by friction with the brake disc. If you hear any, loosen the 2 screws on the brake caliper and adjust the disc's position to ensure it is centered in the brake caliper. During the adjustment, you can rotate the tire simultaneously. Once there is no noise, tighten the screws on the brake caliper. During the process of tightening the brake caliper screws, you can also confirm again if there is any rubbing sound. Next, install the nuts on both sides of the swing arm. Finally, install the fender. And don't forget the diagonal screw method when installing the screws. If the above methods still can't solve your problem, please contact the support team. The professional technicians there will provide you with solutions to ensure that your scooter can run normally. Hope this video will help you. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.